Hi, I'm Shivani and today I'm going to show you how to make an ultimate chocolate chip cookie with walnuts. And if you're new here, hello, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to never miss another update. Now I'll take you over the ingredients. So the ingredients that you'll require are 2 large eggs, and then you'll need 3/4 cup of dark brown sugar and 3/4 cup of white granulated sugar, and you'll need 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and you'll need a 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure it's good quality. And you'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and you'll need 1/3 cup of walnut, which is optional. Then you'll need 1 cup of soft unsalted butter, and of course you'll need some chocolate. This is 315 grams. First I'm going to add in the butter, and this is also about 200 grams of soft unsalted butter. Make sure it's soft and keep it at room temperature for at least 2 hours. Then I'm going to add in the white sugar and then the brown sugar. These both are about 150 grams. And then we are going to cream it with an electric hand mixer. You can also use a regular handheld whisk. So now my butter is well creamed. You don't want it to cream it for too long. Just make sure there is no streaks of butter. Next we are going to add in the 2 eggs. Make sure it's room temperature. It makes it very easy to incorporate. And then the vanilla extract. So we are going to cream this eggs with the butter and sugar mixture. We are going to add in the flour. This is also about 400 grams of flour. And then the baking soda. Make sure it's soda and not powder. And then the salt. Don't skip the salt. And I'm going to mix this with my hand. If you want, you can also use a sturdy spatula, but hands work the best. And now the flour is just incorporated. You don't want to knead this. Next we are going to add in the walnuts. If you want, you can skip this walnuts as well. And then I'm going to reserve this to go on top of the cookies. And next we're going to add in the chocolate, and I've just freeze this a bit so that it does not melt into the cookie. And after mixing this, set this in the freezer for about 1 hour, or you can make this ahead and can freeze this for 1 month. Then I'll show you after 1 hour. Now my dough is out of the refrigerator, and it's sat in the refrigerator for about an hour. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop the dough into a few balls, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to slightly flatten it. This is not necessary, but I'm going to top it up with a little bit of extra walnuts. If you're not topping it off with walnuts, you can definitely not flatten this. Then this goes into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the edges look golden brown and the center is a bit soft. So now my cookies are out of the oven, and when it's straight out of the oven, it should look like this. It should look golden brown on the exterior, but it should be very soft and squishy in the interior. So this high temperature will set the outside and making it nice and crispy, while keeping the middle a little soft and gooey and almost like cookie dough. And just let it cool for 10 minutes before serving, and I'm going to show you how it looks on the inside. And as you can see, it's super soft in the middle and the chocolate is melted. And if you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. And if you do make this recipe, tag me on the Instagram with Shivani12. And until next time, bye.